In today's video, I'll show you how to show the battery percentage on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first, and then choose Battery from the list. Within here, look for the battery percentage option, which might be at the very top or towards the bottom in iOS 26 and later. All you need to do is use the toggle switch here to turn it on. You could also head to the home screen and add a battery widget to display it there as well. That's how to show the battery percentage on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.